Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video with a little reminder about doing Edpuzzles. So I know many of you have done Edpuzzles lots of times and you may already know this, but it is worth mentioning again. So when you do an Edpuzzle, please make sure that you let the entire video play out. So if you look down here at the bottom and you see these little sort of raindrop looking things, each of these is a question. So when you do an Edpuzzle, you're going to hit play and watch and pay attention, and then the video will stop, of course, when you get to one of these questions. You answer the question, you click continue, and the video will keep playing until it gets to the next question, and then it will stop and you answer that question, right? So on. So you do that all the way through. When you get to the end and you see this very last question here, answer that question. If you stop, and this was happening a little bit in semester 1, so that's why I'm making this video. If you stop at this point, Edpuzzle doesn't understand that you finished, and so it will not grade your work, and I will not get a grade for you to put in the grade book. From my end, my teacher end, it will look like you haven't done this because there's no grade. When I go into Edpuzzle and look, there will be no grade there for you. So what you need to do is after you answer the last question, make sure you click continue and let the video play to the very end. Let it play out until the video stops. Then Edpuzzle knows that you finished the Edpuzzle and it will give you a grade, and then I can put the grade in the grade book. If you just answer the last question and call it a day and do not let the video play out, then Edpuzzle doesn't know you're finished, it won't give you a grade, and then I won't give you a grade, not because I'm mean, but because there won't be one there for me to give to you. And so then you're going to feel frustrated. Hey, why is this marked missing in the grade book? I know I did it, and then it's going to be a whole thing. So please let the video play out. Even after you answer this last question, there's no more questions. I know it feels like you're done. Just click continue and let the video play out. It's usually only a few more seconds. That way you'll get a grade and life will be good and easy. All right. If you have a question about this or a concern about this, please, you can email me or Google Meet with me. If you Google Meet with me, obviously that is going to be instant answer to your question. If you email me, it may take me a day, at least a few hours, maybe up to a day to get back to you. So that's it. Just remember, let the video play out. Get hold of me if you have any questions or concerns, and have a wonderful day.